You completely missed this moment in How to Train Your Dragon, and it changes everything. When Hiccup builds a new tail for Toothless, Astrid says,
"You tried this once before, he didn't want it."
but wait, that never happens in the movies. So when did Toothless reject it? It actually comes from a forgotten short, Gift of the Night Fury. Hiccup builds an automatic tail, so Toothless can fly alone. And for a moment, he actually leaves. No hesitation, no looking back. Hiccup thinks it's over, but then Toothless returns, not just with his helmet, but with a choice. He destroys the tail himself. And here's something fans noticed. The way he removes it, it's almost identical to how a cat shakes something off, like pure instinct. This wasn't logic, it was emotion. And another detail most people miss, Toothless never wanted to leave Hiccup. Even at the end, it was Hiccup who let him go. So when Astrid says he didn't want it, she's remembering the moment Toothless chose Hiccup over freedom.